Remember 1994? Whoa. Well, I do. And especially I remember the World Cup from that year. 8-year-old me was a big fan, so you can imagine how stoked I was when I stumbled on this bad boy. This is a Canon 35mm pocket-sized point-and-shoot camera made specifically for that event. And boy do I love it. I guess technically the name of the camera is Canon 11. And it's basically just a Canon Prima Mini in disguise. But I guess if I want to see how it performs, I need to give it a spin. Helsinki was still quite warm, definitely one of the last days of the summer. So I decided to load a roll of Kodak Gold 200 just for those golden tones. These first photos, I'm actually positively surprised. I mean, I like these a lot. Seems like the lens is way sharper than I thought. Surely not Contax T2 level sharp, but I mean, wow. This next photo is what it's all about. I like the colors, the composition, the story, the light. In fact, this next one also, both taken with built-in flash. Oh yeah, this thing has an automatic flash. There's also a button for disabling it, but not sure should I just keep pressing it while I shoot or something. But no worries, this thing has red eye reduction built with AI as fuck. Walking around with these small point-and-shoots is something that I've grown into in the past few years. I love just strolling through the city and taking photos of whatever I feel like is worth taking. And the fact that I use film cameras for these walks just makes them a little more exciting, since you never know what you're gonna get. This next photo is part of my ongoing series where I ask random people if I can take a photo of them. Scary stuff, not sure if I can recommend.
Pitäisikö mä ottaa tää sinne jenkkeihin ja tehdä siellä vielä?
That's me asking my wife if I should bring this camera to the US with me for my upcoming business trip. Stick around and you will find out. Spoiler, I did. But that part is still coming. Before that, I took my family for a nice weekend walk through this already autumny garden near where we live. This time I loaded the camera with Cinestill 800T, and once again I love these colors. Here you go, enjoy Helsinki in October. I had already developed and scanned the first roll at this point, so I kinda knew what I was looking for. And at this point, I was super stoked about this point and shooter. I think I'm just a sucker for cameras like this. The remjet layer, or actually the lack of it, added some red tones to these highlights, but nevertheless, I quite like all of these. Not a single frame wasted this time. Eventually, I did take the camera with me to the States, which worked quite nicely since I was invited to watch some football, or soccer as they call it there, with my colleagues. It was a match between Nashville Soccer Club and Miami naturally had Leonardo da Messi on their side, so that made it interesting. Then this guy scored and actually did it twice more. Quite nice to see Messi scoring a hat-trick. Not sure if I'm gonna witness that again. Later that evening we still hit the rooftop bars downtown Nashville, aka the Quiet City, and enjoyed a nice and productive time with my dudes. Apparently, this camera can also shoot some nighttime photos. Good to know. Anyways, that's the story how I met my football camera. Thanks for watching and see you next time.